guys, we have our new Jeep. This is a 200cc, fully automatic with reverse. I've got plenty of room in here, and this thing will get it. We are the first ones in America to have this. This is going to be a hot Christmas item. We've got 3.9 for 60 months through Yard Card. They're doing this for like $70 a month before taxes, and just a little bit more taxes involved. Yeah, this thing is awesome, y'all. This is my favorite new toy. We had the little 125s the last couple of years, and they were a little. They had 3-speed semi-autos. It's kind of hard for some kids to drive it, and a little bit light on the power. This thing here is great. Great. Love it. And it's small enough to go down the sidewalks, but it's fast enough. This thing go 40-something mile an hour. It's fast enough to go down the highway. It's got blinkers, dim and bright lights. Yeah. Y'all come see us at 623 North Main. G Mowers. We've got blue, black, burgundy. Please call and let me know if you want one. We're gonna sell these for $3,500, and full size spare in the back. Yeah, you can take this part off if you don't want that top on there. Just leave it the kind of a convertible top. This is definitely a giant upgrade from the 125 that we've sold in the past Christmases. So this is going to be our replacement for it. It's just a lot better unit. Engine's way better, not near as clanky as that smaller one was. And we're excited to have these. Y'all give me a heads up when y'all want one. $3,500, 3.9 for 60 months through Yard Card. It'd make it like 70 to $80 a month with taxes, probably 70 without taxes. So